All right, y'all, let's get into this 1986 Sportflics Foil Pack box. Picked this up from McNulty Sports Cards. Just like this. Sealed up on this side, open on this side. I think I'll do a video of us opening it up. So, we'll take off the plastic. Take off this box. And of course, when I start a video outside, there has to be a police car going by. All right, there's the box there. There was a card here, and I took it off. I thought it was maybe just a cardboard card. Turned out it was an actual card, and me taking it off damaged it. So you live and learn, I guess. If I get another one of these, I suppose I'll keep that card. All right, let's let's do 3 packs. These are 3 card packs with 2 trivia cards, and the box itself is I'm not sure how many. Oh, 36 count. All right, enough talking. Let's get opening. Pack number 1. I'm going to say maybe Dave Drevecki. Oh, Scott Geraltz. Wow, I was way off. And he had my first name, too. No clue. Jose Cruz. Here's our 2 little Magic Motion cards. Baseball Trivia Quiz. Here's our advertisement card for the Don Mattingly coins. And then our last card is Teddy Huguara. Oh, Ted Simmons. I was right a little bit. All right, so there's our 3 cards there. Pack number 2 out of the box. Love these Sportflics cards. Ooh, we've got Oral. Nice. Oral Hershiser. Good deal. We'll put Oral up there. I'm going to say Frank Tanana. Detroit Tigers, Frank Tanana. Jack Morris. Man. There's our 2 Magic Motion trivia cards. Baseball Trivia Quiz. Another Don Mattingly coin advertisement. And it looks like we got a Tri-Stars. We'll look at the back first. Tom Seaver, Phil Niekro, Don Sutton. Veteran pitchers. There's Phil Niekro. That looks like Seaver there. That's Sutton and Niekro. All right, good deal on that one. Picked up that Oral. That's key. All right, 3rd pack. Let's see what we can get in this one. Not sure who that is for a pitcher. I'm not going to guess. I've got something in my mind I'm thinking. Okay, I was thinking Brett Saberhagen. Charlie Lebrant. Alrighty. Oh, nice. Nolan Ryan. That's cool. Gotta love the Nolan Ryan, and I'm sure that's going to be worth at least $1, probably if not more. That's cool. Nolan Ryan. That's key. Our 2 Baseball Trivia Quiz cards. Of course, the Don Mattingly disc advertisement. Ooh, we got another TriStars Rookies of the Year. Got Darryl Strawberry, Steve Sachs, and Pete Rose. Nice. All right, there's Pete. There's Steve Sachs. And Darryl Strawberry. Right, let's see if we can get Darryl. There he is, Darryl Strawberry. That's a cool card. All right, y'all, there it is. 1986 Sportflics from the box. Let's close it back up. And we'll do 3 more packs another time. As always, thanks for watching.